Hi friend, welcome back to PDMS for Beginner channel. This is Mr. Tan. Have a nice day. Today we will study about creating a piping catalog in CADWorx plant. The first, let's open CADWorx catalog and specification editor. Click New Catalog, then input like this. Choose Global Catalog for type. Input description location unit for this catalog. Finally, click OK. First, let's transfer data from another catalog. 4. Click the Catalog Data button under the Transfer Data panel of the Home tab. Click Open Catalog at the end of the source field to specify a source for our transfer. In the source catalog side, hold the Shift key down and select the folders in the following image. Then drag and drop them in the target catalog window. Click Close to exit. You will be prompted to save. You must click Yes to save the transfer changes. Expand all the data tables in the catalog data section and you will see all the data tables have been transferred into the new catalog. Save the catalog file to finished lecture 1.